All right, are we complete? We are just 30. Okay. So please let's continue. I've already started recording this session. So I want us to treat top-down analysis, like I said earlier in the previous session that we are having. I mentioned that top-down analysis is basically just analyzing your chart from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Can you guys see my screen, please? If you can see my screen, just put in the chat box yes, and I will continue. Can you guys see my screen? Yes, fantastic. So we want to do a top-down analysis on V25, right? We want to do a top-down analysis. We know that when I start, no consider. I don't know say on they go mosque now by this time. Oh, I beg no vex. Like I'm not really always chanced. I tend to be very, very busy. I tend to move around a lot. Because I can't keep saying that I'll move the class to this, move the class to that. No, it doesn't work that way. It's only when I am opportune, I take advantage of that. Like I'm currently at home. I think for the next 1 to 2 hours, I'll be at home. So after 2 hours, I'll be heading out until probably 10 p.m. if I get back. So that's just the reason why I just my time is not fixed. You understand? My time is not fixed. It's whenever I am chanced, I do that. Okay. So we are looking at top-down analysis on V25. We notice that always on the road, bro. Man, guys make money. Sure you get. Always on the road, man. You know the vibes. So we noticed that V25 has been on a buy trend for quite a long time. The daily time frame has been on a buy trend. But I want to send something. You guys check your what do you call it? Check the general group, the discussion group. I'm going to send the monthly time frame on the MT5 because right now we don't have monthly time frame yet on this thing, on the chart. Yeah, we don't have monthly time frame, weekly time frame. So I'm going to send the monthly time frame breakdown of V25. I'll send the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. Then like that, then we'll continue analyzing like that. Now I've just sent one. You guys check the general section, monthly time frame. Please, if you've seen it, please comment yes. Let me know that you've seen it. Has anyone seen it? Seen. Please comment. Okay, yes, comment in the Zoom session chat box, not the general. I want to know the people that are active on this call. So now I'm going to be explaining it. This is what we have on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we have something like this. We have price giving us a lower high. Are you kidding me now? We have a lower high, sorry, a lower low. We have a lower high, right? We have a lower low again. Then price gave us what? A lower high again. Then what the price do? Price broke down and gave us a lower low. So we can see that on the monthly time frame, V25 is on the is on the downtrend on the monthly time frame. Okay, so after this, what are we expecting? We're expecting a lower high, right? We're expecting a lower high. So this is what V25 has been doing. So now, if you draw because now this is the current price action on the monthly time frame from this swing high to this swing low. So we know that on the monthly time frame, we're expecting a downtrend. Please just be observing the this thing I sent, the screenshot. So now what did I do? I saw that okay, price is rejecting, price is creating a wick around this zone here. Around this zone, price is creating a wick around this zone. If you guys can see, right? Then I did my Fibonacci. I drew my Fibonacci from year to year to know if price is at least within 50% retracement. You understand? Then I noticed that okay, price is reacting from this 0.618% level. It's a retracement level on your Fibonacci. This is where price is reacting from currently. Right? Price is currently reacting from this place. Are you guys seeing my charts? This is top-down analysis now. Are you guys seeing my charts? Let me get both. Yes. All right, just go. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Please, is this clear? Is this monthly time frame analysis clear to you guys? Huh? Let me continue. Is it clear? Okay, good. I want you guys to respond so I know who I'm always following. Okay, so if it's not clear, I can explain again. So now price is within this zone on the monthly time frame. Quite all right. Price is within this zone. It's a gold. They call it the golden ratio or the golden level. Well, okay, if price starts rejecting from 0.618% level on the Fibonacci, is likely to continue. So price has given us a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Yeah. Lower high, lower low, lower high again. So what are we expecting after a lower high? What are we expecting after a lower high?
Lower low.
Okay, let me mute you guys again. We're expecting a lower low. We are expecting price to do like this, to continue its direction to the downside. Abi now? Perfect. So once price gets here, we're expecting a retracement here. So what do? Let me send the weekly time frame now to you guys. Let me send the weekly time frame. Then we'll continue on the daily time frame here. This is the weekly time frame. Look at what I drew out on the weekly time frame. It's still sending. But look at what. Oh, my network is terrible, guys. Okay, sent. Are you guys seeing? Look at what I drew out on the weekly time frame rather. You guys can see a supply level. Price is currently reacting on a supply level. Yeah, you see where I marked out a green zone there. Can you guys see? Please, if you can see it, say yes. Let me know you are following. Can you guys see? Only okay, yes, good. Price is currently reacting from that supply level, that green candlestick. There's a green candlestick here. Oh, sorry. It's still the same thing now. It's still the same thing. Sorry. Let me see. It's still the same thing. Let me send you the weekly clearly. Sorry, I sent you guys the monthly. There's still a supply level on the monthly where price is currently rejecting from, right? And now this is the weekly, guys. This is the weekly. Can you guys see the weekly now? Okay, good. You guys can see the weekly, right? Okay, nice. Now you guys can see that there's a supply level there. That is a green candle that price is currently reacting from. Okay, remember what I told you guys in the supply and demand. Okay, let me quickly send the link, the general group link again. Um, so please, you guys just join because I'm going to like cancel this link in a couple of minutes. So if you know you're not in, better be in now. I'm sending it now. All right, set. So now you can see that price is currently rejecting, like price is selling from that supply level. Okay, so what are we expecting price to do? We're expecting price to keep falling to create a lower low. Now let's go to the daily time frame here on this chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Can you guys see this daily time frame here on the chart? Can you guys see this daily time frame on the chart here? Please, I want you guys to follow up. Are you guys seeing this daily time frame here? Okay, good. Now, remember what I told you guys that whenever price gets to your supply zone or your demand zone, what are you expecting? You're expecting a candlestick formation. Abi now, like a 3 candlestick formation. Yes or yes? Okay, good. Now you see this candlestick formation. This is a confirmation on the weekly time frame that okay, price wants to do what? Price wants to go down. This is a evening star or something like that. Price wants to go down. Let me write it out. This is a confirmation. This confirmation entry. Confirmation entry on the daily time frame. This is it here. This is a confirmation entry on the daily time frame. So you know that okay, this will be your entry. Then price, we are targeting the higher low. Sorry, yeah, the lower low. We're targeting this. So we know that okay, price is supposed to do what? Price is supposed to sell all the way down here. But remember, we cannot take our entries on the daily time frame. It's not possible because the drawdown will be massive. So what do? We scale down to our 4-hour time frame. Abi now, Abi, are we going down to our 4-hour time frame now? Because remember, this is a top-down analysis from your higher time frame to your lower time frame. Only like 2 people are responding. And besides, it was only 2 people that submitted assignments yesterday. Just 2. And on our one buy Benz next year. Come on, guys, you all should take this seriously. Okay, I know we all know this stuff. Majority of you already know it, as you claim, since you don't want to do assignments. Yeah, now all these kind of people where we say for square, now then they back seats. now, now they back seats for school. You don't know. Okay. All right, all right. So now in this confirmation entry, let's go to the 4 hours time frame to see. Ah, no wahala. So now what are we seeing on the 4 hours time frame? Or let's use the 8 hour. Let's see. What are we seeing? Okay, let's use the 8 hour. Now we have gone from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame. Now we are on the 8 hour time frame. So what are we saying on the 8 hour time frame? We know that okay, this is a confirmation for sell, but inside that confirmation, another confirmation they inside. Una dey get inside that confirmation, another confirmation they inside. And what's the confirmation? We have a sweep of liquidity here. Thank you. Inside that avia, another avia they inside. Una, see, I go give on a certificate after I graduate from this this mentorship. These are bright students. Bright students. Like on a get sense. You guys have sense. On God, I swear. I swear. On a they follow up. That's how it should be. You know, there should be this mentor-mentee relationship, guys. You know what I'm saying? Who be that one? Who be that one? I beg. Don't worry. I go do giveaway for all of. I will do giveaway. No worry. Now we have what? We have a sweep of liquidity. So this becomes our sweep of liquidity. Now, what's the second rule? After a sweep of liquidity, what are we expecting? A break of structure. I need professional term. I've taught you these things. I need a professional term. I gave you the terminologies of all these things. So please, someone tell me, after a sweep of liquidity, transactional liquidity, fried rice and chicken. I will give you fried rice and chicken. Don't worry. But wait, why human being go just decide say in name, in username won't be fried rice and chicken? Why? Why? Bro, of all names, of all nicknames to name yourself, now fried rice and chicken. I swear, see, your name go work for you this month. You see this festive period there? Your name go work for you well. Just, just go ahead and say, what's your name? Fried rice and chicken. God. No worry, I know you want fried rice and chicken. All right, transactional liquidity. Thank you. So, where's our transactional liquidity? This right here is our transactional liquidity. Trader B. Trader B. This is our transactional liquidity. We have what? Our transactional liquidity here. This is it. That's our first break. So this I becomes what? This I becomes protected. Meaning that, okay, price is not supposed to come here to take this out. Is that right? Price is not supposed to come there to take this out. Now, what is transactional liquidity used for? Somebody tell me. Anybody will get down. Anybody will get down 5K. Going.
Correction.
Instacart, send me your account number. Wait, Instacart, are you Nigerian or you are South African or you're Ghanaian? Yeah, Nigerian. Nice. Send me your account number. You say we come and play. Oh my God. Correction. Thank you. Now, after a transactional liquidity, what do we have? We have this correction right here. This becomes our correction. Okay? So, after this correction, we add another what? Transactional liquidity. That gave us what? What does this give us here? Mercy, Adetimi, send me your account number. 5K for you. Mercy. Are you a boy or a girl? You be man or be woman? Eh? You be man or be woman? Woman, hey, Messi baby. Messi baby. Structural liquidity. Thank you. Thank you. No, they carry first class for school. You see all these kind of people, and then they carry first class for school. We have structural liquidity. Thank you. Messi Lambo, I forgive you Lambo, but you know I don't get money normally, so you just manage the 5K, sure you get. You know the thing they be. All right. So now, what are we expecting after structural liquidity? This is the last 5K. Continuation. Who first say continuation? Li. Lee, I mean, Chung Lee. Now, which one? How do we pronounce it? Lee. Okay, Lee. Before continuation, what do we have to expect before continuation? After price gives us a structural liquidity, what are we expecting next? Before continuation. To be taken out. Praise Ugochukwu. Thank you. To be taken out. B is your structural liquidity, and structural liquidity must be taken out. Okay? If it's not taken out, there will be no continuation. Chai, hey, see your math, 5K. 5K call. You say, Baba say now, 5K. You be thief. You're a big thief. Praise, you're a thief. You say now, 5K. Oh my God, that's that. I beg, man, I don't give anything for this group. I beg. Okay, good. Now, we know that this is where our entry will be, right? This is our entry. Now, we want to focus on this POI right here. We want to focus on this POI right here. So what do? Let's go on the 4-hour time to see if there's anything there that we can look out for. Now, this is top-down analysis. I've told you guys about what do you call it? The monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, for 8-hour time frame. Now we're on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what I was saying on the 1-hour time frame, nothing really. It's just a blank space. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame. This is top-down analysis from your highest time frame to your lowest time frame. Now, in this 2-hour time frame, I can see a supply level here. Has this supply level tested? Okay, this supply level has been tested. So let's see if we can get something, because now this is too wide. All these places are too wide, because price might come all the way up here. Price might come all the way up here, in fact, before it starts selling. Okay, price might go all the way up there. So what do we want to do? We want to keep breaking it down to the lowest fraction. Okay, for those that did mathematics in secondary school, in primary school, you can remember how they always call it. Is it? I don't forget. I don't know math then, but I know there's lower terms, lower someone please remind me. Something lower time something. I've been a low term stuff. I had LCM. Taufik, you go school. Taufik, you went to school. LCM.
Lowest common multiple.
Lowest common whatever. Lowest common multiple fraction. I don't know. But something. You break it to the lowest term. That is what we are doing basically. We are breaking this to the lowest term. You get? Before we get our final answer. So step by step. Okay? So I can actually see this is the 1-hour time frame now. I don't want my chart to be too rough. Let me take this out. Now, this is our POI, right? Now in our POI, we're looking for another POI. Now, mind you, regardless of this being our POI, this green zone, all of these also serve as POI. From this green zone to this eye, to this protected eye, they're all POIs. So we're looking for demand levels, supply levels around here. On the 1 hour time frame, I can also see a supply level here. There. This is also a supply level. So price might come to like test all of these places. This is also a supply level, but it has been tested. So we want to focus on the ones that are not been tested. So price might come all the way up here, or here before it continues selling. Okay, so let's see what we have again. Let's keep going down. 30 minutes time frame. What do we have? There's so many imbalances here. All these sell-offs, there are so many. Okay, now I think I can see a supply level here that has not been tested. Can you guys see the supply level here? It has not been tested, and it's in our POI on the 30 minutes time frame. It has not been tested yet, and it's directly on above our structural liquidity, which is this. It's directly on above it. Okay, so price might just do this. Come here, they start selling off. We don't know which one would hold unless we see our confirmation in that supply level. Okay, remember these are our POI, so we want to be looking for sell entries in this POI. Okay, now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what we have there. On the 15 minutes time frame, we can see a sweep of liquidity. Look, guys. Hey, forget I bad. Are you guys seeing the sweep of liquidity? You see where I can't hide? It was hiding inside that supply level. Can you guys see? So this then becomes a protected eye. Look at this. This then becomes a protected what? A protected eye. Inside that area, another area there inside. This is that POI they hide inside this POI. You can see this. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Now, if you keep going lower, because now this gave us a sweep of liquidity, which is this. So this is our supply, remember. Sweep of liquidity. Then what the price give us again? Price gave us a transactional liquidity here. Abi now. Now let's go to the 10 minutes time frame. We're going to see our structural liquidity. Let's see if we are going to see our structural liquidity. I think we have a small baby structural liquidity here. Just normal BS, you understand? Just baby structural liquidity. Yeah, just normal BS for here. We have a baby structural liquidity there. Okay. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Of course, now we'll make everything look simple now. It's months of hard work. Months and months of hard work. So guys, we have 10 minutes left. Let's utilize it well. Okay, now we have this structural liquidity. I want to use this as my structural liquidity. Then we also have another break of structure again here. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to come and take. Now remember, this is on the 5 minutes time frame. And on the 5 minutes time frame, we want to look for our supply levels. Now, look at the supply levels we have. We have this supply level. Yeah. Let me just extend it to here. Let me make it yellow. Everybody say yellow. Say yellow. Oh my God, that year. Everybody say yellow. That guy gave me vibes that last time. I was like, damn, sharp guy. Yellow. That's so my G. Now, look at that supply level on the 5 minutes time frame. We have one supply level We also have this supply level here. All these supply levels they have not been tested yet. This one they asked me how would I did. What did I do? I've been 16, no reason now. I've been 16, I swear. Sweet 16. I just clocked my sweet 16. Man, no lie. Sweet 16. All right. We also have this. All of these are all supply levels. So price might actually sell from all of these zones. Ah, Messi, if you be 9. If you're not bad, dude. You're not bad. No learn where you say anyhow. You be 9. Me, I be 60, you be 9. Oh, they run and they go like that. She gets. All right, now look at all these sexy supply levels. You can see, guys. So now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let me sip this water. Okay. Okay. Now you can see how we went all the way from monthly time frame to the 5 minutes time frame. My send first for what? Nobody what? Make me sweat. Make me make me lose my breath. Make me water. Make me water. Make me sweat. Make me water. I must listen to this jam. This one just come my head now like this. Let it be that name. Tyler, mean Tyson. Which one? Well, see, Tyler. Tyler Water. Tyler Water. I mean, when I finally listen to this jam, so Tayeko Kendini.
Yeah, I guess we can do that.
Hey, man, at time finish. Man, at time finish. You don't concern me. Love my Hey. Ah. Take me to paradise. Ah. Oh yeah. Make me sweat. Make me harder. Make me lose my breath.
Make me water. Make me sweat. Make me water.
Make me lose my breath.
Make me water.
I don't do. I just have part I want here. So guys, can you see? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you imagine say now on a normal day, yeah? On a normal day, look at this. On the 4-hour time frame, there are some people who trade limits, just basically like just set your limit, okay? And then their entry will be somewhere around here. Let's assume price goes all the way up here. Take this structural liquidity out and then sells from here. Now look at the risk reward ratio. Look at the risk reward ratio. Normally now, trading gas interesting normally now. And look at see your stop loss, your ideal stop loss will be above this protected eye. Now let's assume you want to target here as your TP. Where is the closest node? Let's assume you want to target. No, that's too far. Let's assume you want to target somewhere around here as your TP. You can see your risk reward ratio. Your risk reward ratio would be 2 to 25. 2 to 25. Okay? But if you are taking the entry with a confirmation entry on the 5 minutes time frame, now imagine this. Your stop loss is around here. your stop loss is above your candlestick formation. Let's assume your entry is here. Let's assume your entry is here. Your target is all the way down here. Your stop loss is above the candlestick here. Now let's go to the 30-minute time frame first and then the 4-hour. Then you will see your risk reward ratio will be mad. Target is here. Your target will be here. Your ideal target. That's like 8.3 risk reward ratio. 8.3. If your SL is here, your risk or more, this risk reward ratio. Sorry, I think I had this around here that was 2 point something. Let's say it's 2.61 if your stop loss is here. But if you are trading with a confirmation entry, your stop loss will be around here. That would be like 14 RR. That's 14 risk to reward ratio. So if you are risking like $20 for that trade, times it by 14. 20 times 14. 20 times 14 is what? I don't know. So someone please tell me. 20 times 14. Boy, I love you more than the sins happy. It'll be like now all of us know Sabi Mouse. Thank you. 280. Your stop loss will give you 14 risk reward ratio, which means if you are risking $20 on that trade, you are making $280 on that trade. Now remember, you've not even started. You just opened one single position, risking $20. Now imagine you stack on that trade. If me normally on a normal day, if I'm stacking, or if I'm stacking with a $20 account, I'll be making up to like 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus, nothing less than $1,200 with a $20 capital. Do you guys understand? So that's just it. Bounce all day, bounce all freaking day. Okay, that's how it is. I remember back in November, I was making not less than $1,000, $2,000 every single day because the market condition was good. Test that position is like, share you get. Thank you for the calculation. 2,800. That's what I told you. Nothing less than $1,200. Nothing less than if you are stacking. And me, I stack up to like 20 positions, 50 positions. You understand? So that's just how it is, guys. I think our time is up, and this will be our last session for this week. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all grabbed something from it. I hope you all grasped something from it. Okay? No, don't worry, the stacking, we've not treated stacking yet. Don't worry, we'll treat it probably in the next session. Okay? So guys, please go have some fun, have good quality time with your family this period, and enjoy yourselves. Okay, take some time off trading for a while and then enjoy yourself. There must be fun. All right, good day everyone, have a lovely day. You can ask your questions in the question section, please. Fried rice and chicken. Have fun, guys. Have fun. Which one be touch us? Ashawo. First name. Ashawo. You are Ashawo. Can you send data?